Hello everyone, this is Matinek and thanks for checking out this video. Today I'm gonna share you the unboxing, setup, and demo of this Nooie Doorbell cam with base station and chime. I will also provide my opinion and give you my user experience about this product at the end of the video. By the way, this doorbell camera is made by a company called Nooie. You may or may not heard this company before. They are only 2.5 years old and they make smart plugs, smart bulbs, doorbell cam, and IP cameras. So now let's begin with the unboxing. Just a quick spec overview of this doorbell. The doorbell has a 158 degrees wide angle view. It has a 2K resolution, IP65 waterproof rating, two-way audio. It has a 10,000 milliamps battery and it supports both cloud and local storage. Alexa and Google compatible and supports both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection. In the box we have the user's guide, the installation template, the 15-degree wall mount and flat wall mount side notes, the Nooie stickers, and a Nooie invitation card. We have here the flat wall mount, and here we have the doorbell. The base station with chime, and this is the memory card slot port on the side, and this is the 15-degree wall mount panel. Alright, we have the box of accessories. This is the 10,000 milliamps battery, and it comes with the Ethernet cable, the USB-C charging cable, and this is the bag of screws and pin reset tools. And that's all for the unboxing, and let's go ahead and proceed with the setup. First, we need to download the Nooie app and sign up for an account and add the device and select Nooie Doorbell Cam and follow the on-screen step-by-step instructions. I'm going to fast forward this procedure. So I'm all set. Next is I'm gonna go through the app settings and configurations, and if you feel this part is boring, feel free to skip this part. It supports both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so I did a test with my Echo Show. Alexa, show me the front door.
Okay.
So I'm holding the Nooie Doorbell cam, and this is a sample night footage using the built-in infrared light or sensor on this doorbell camera. And also the audio is also pretty good on this doorbell. So when you are using the two-way audio feature, so it does pretty good. There you have the unboxing, setup, and demo. This part is where I give my thoughts and honest opinion about the doorbell cam. I was provided the sample product to test, share, and provide feedback. Nooie Doorbell Cam is very intuitive to set up and use. There are no wall wiring connections needed, and all you need is a Phillips screwdriver to mount the doorbell onto the wall. Mounting accessories are included. Here are my pros and cons. For the pros, it has 158 degrees wide-angle view, 2K resolution that provides clear video footage, customizable motion detection alerts, and greetings. Installation setup is easy, and the app is simple and straightforward. It supports both local and cloud storage. It supports up to 120 gig of memory card storage. It offers cheap cloud storage subscription, long battery life, IP65 weatherproof, fireproof, rating UL 94 V-0. This is not really a cons, but more likely an app feedback for improvements. So the motion detection recording preview in the app, it does not show the metadata or a thumbnail preview of the events. So it would be nice if the thumbnail preview is showing so you know what to preview. Overall, this doorbell works great so far and have no issues. The build quality is good and it's very easy to install and use. It has backup great features for its price. The Nooie doorbell have met my expectations, and this is far better than my Eken doorbell. If you want to check out this doorbell, I will leave the link down in the description below, and let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if this video is helpful, and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Much appreciated. Once again, this is Matinik signing off.